Kaei ka lynti, ka biang ngin kloi, ban kren phareng. Ladai piyok cheng mentoi na kane ka video wanam glad ban share lem shiki perlok lane hiying hasem jongpi. Wanam glad ro ban like, share and subscribe ya kane ka channel nang ba pin yo cheng mentoi shibot. What is the best way to learn English? Kasi Kaei ka lynti, ka biang ngin ya kaktin phareng. Let me ask you a simple question. Kasi tongan kali yapi kajing kali kawajam bha. What will your answer if someone asks you how you can improve your spoken English in the shortest time? Kasi Kaei ju ba jongpi lada don ba kali yapi kumno pinpen bha ya kapu kom kren phareng jongpi ha kapor kabalengkot. Will you advise them to read English newspaper? Kasi pin ai jeng mot ya gijing pule kot kubor phareng. Will you advise them to listen an English song or speech? Kasi pin ai jeng mot yaki pensngap ya kesot phareng lane ya gijing kren. Will you advise them to watch English movie? Kasi pin ai jeng mot yaki ban big film phareng. I don't think so. You know very well by reading newspaper or by listening a song or watching movie may help him understanding level but once help him in speaking English. Kasi ngam tharai ban long kumta phi tip khambha da kaba ule kot kubor lane snam jingruai lane ban pet lem kala ban yarap lane penbha tangya kajing sneu thu henre kam yarap ya karukom kren phareng. The only things that will help him speaking English is communication. Kasi tang kawai bala ban yarap yo ban kren phareng kadlong kajing ya kren. The more he will communicate in English, the sooner he will learn. Kasi kata udang ya kren ya kaktin phareng ulang ubakloi benang lane tip. Practice every day. Kasi persyang malakasni. Try to say everything in English. Kasi persyang banong kiai baro hakaktin phareng. Talk to yourself. Kasi kren yalade. Do not be afraid of making mistake. Kasi wat teng ban pen mi yagi jing bakla. Practice speaking English whatever you get a chance. Kasi bersang ban kren phareng haba piyo yekalat. Don't worry about making a mistake because you will make mistake as a learner. Kasi wat kuslai shapang kecing bakla namat pin bakla kum unong bersang. We will try some things new. Kasi ngin bersang ya Kaei kabatamai. Do what makes you happy. Kasi le ya Kaei kaba ban kaben ya pi. Love what you do. Kasi i ya Kaei kaba pi le.